Hello friends, welcome to my channel Spark FAQs. In this channel, I am actually posting a lot of Spark related videos. Please subscribe to my channel and get benefited, and also please forward to your friends and support me my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to install Apache Kafka, which is a distributed publish subscribe messaging system on top of EC2 instance. I have created a EC2 instance which is low cost. If you want to understand how to create a EC2 instance on AWS cloud, please follow my previous videos. I given detailed explanation, and I also provided step by step how I created this EC2 instance. In this video, we are going to focus on how to install this Apache Kafka on top of EC2 instance. Let's get started. So you can go to this website, and you can download the whatever the version of Kafka you want to install. So I am going to install the latest version, which is 2.8.0. If you want to go with prior version 2.7.1, 2.70, it's your wish, right? So you can, I am going to, so Scala, the Apache I'm sorry, Apache Kafka is built on top of Scala programming language, so it supports either by the Scala framework, the Kafka framework built on top of Scala 2.12 or 2.13. That you can wish, you can whatever wish, whatever the Scala version you have, you can go and download as per your wish, right? So I just downloaded this. I'm going to download this Spark. I'm sorry, sorry for my sorry for the disturbance. So basically, we are going to download the Kafka version 2.8.0, which is built on top of Scala 2.12. Yeah, so you can just click on this link. It will open this, and you can take this link to download. Either you can download local and push it to your EC2 instance. I will directly download there. So this is my wget command, wget, and followed by the path I copy from the website, the Apache org website. So we are going to download the basically the Kafka software framework. So there is a typo over there. Okay, I'll just remove this typo. I'll copy again. So it is around 680. I'm sorry, this is 68 MB of the compressed file. So let's copy this to the software folders. I'm maintaining all my softwares under my user is Ubuntu. In the I created a folder called data making under that software. So I just copy this command run so that this file will be copied over there, right? So I should have done move also, it's fine. So you can do move or copy, it's fine. So just go to this directory, the software directory, just do ls here. So the Kafka is copied over here. Now let's extract this using a tar command, tar space -xvzdf space the Kafka binary file. It's extracted here. You will see here it's extracted successfully. Now we have to set the environment variable called Kafka home, and just set the path of your Kafka extraction folder. Now what you do is we just go to copy this export command, open a bashrc file, come down. There are multiple environment variables sitting here. Let's add for the Kafka. So we just we can invoke Kafka related commands once you set this environment variable. Yeah, so Control O and enter, it is written Control X to come out of this. So and also refresh this profile file using the source command. Is done. So let's clear this terminal, and what I are going to do is there are some configuration which we can change it. One is you can when you so how the Kafka works is, as I told you, it's a distributed publish subscribe message. So people who publish a message to the Kafka topic is nothing but publishers. So Kafka topic is nothing but a kind of a buffer, or you can kind of say storage where your data is stored in the Kafka cluster. So Kafka can be built as a cluster or individual server, machine, individual server. So Kafka broker is the one who handles your messages. So yeah, so Kafka topic you can think of as a storage layer, or it can be a, you can think of as RDBMS table where you put a data, and people who want to subscribe that message in the Kafka topic is called consumers. So Kafka consumer, so start with producer, uh, uh, Kafka broker, Kafka topic, Kafka consumer, zookeeper. These are some of the terminologies you need to know. Zookeeper is basically works as a coordination between the subscriber, which is a consumer, and the Kafka broker to manage the messages which is published in the Kafka topic. So now what we are going to do is we will. So when you create a Kafka topic, by default you cannot delete it. If you want to delete the Kafka topic, you need to set this property. For that, I'll just go to this location, the configuration folder of Kafka installation. You will do ls here. So you see there is a server.properties file, right? You open this file using a nano editor, and then you make this delete topic enable equal to true. Are you finding this somewhere? Just trying to find out this properties somewhere. I don't see anywhere, so let's add here delete. Okay, so control O, enter, return, control X, sorry, return, control O again, control X. So let me open this file in the VA editor and search for the delete. I'll open VA editor, says delete. Yeah, I just only this, whatever we did is there. Cool. Control W X. Fine. So we edited the server.properties. Now, so basically how you can actually start, you can start the, when you want to Kafka, you want to start the Kafka broker or Kafka server, you need to be before that you need to start the zookeeper server. Okay, so you can start using the by running the shell script called zookeeper server start, but I don't want to do like that. I want to create a service. So basically a service file, so that we can use the command like start sudo systemctl start Kafka and start zookeeper, like that. Okay, so I want to create as a service file so that you can easily start and check the status and other stuff. For that, what you need to do, you need to create a unit files in the systemd directory. So you can create a file using this command. So sudo, we are using nano editor, and the sudo mode, sudo permission. There is a location called /etc/systemd/system, and this is a unit file. Zookeeper.service is a unit file. We are creating it. So enter this and copy this. So basically it has two things. One is the unit section. Service section is the where so you need to specify your username, which is basically our Ubuntu. Okay, so this is Ubuntu. You just copy this, and we are going to start this shell script, and when you want to stop this service, you have to stop this. You have to call this shell script, which is a zookeeper server.stop. So I'll just copy this portion and keep it here, and control O X, save it, and control X. So this is the service unit file is created for Zookeeper. Similarly, we do it for Kafka also. Here also I'll go and change the username, which is Ubuntu. So Ubuntu is created. So Ubuntu with Ubuntu username, and here Kafka. When you want to start a Kafka server, you have to start the Kafka server start.sh, and you pass the server.properties and the log file where you want to store it. And when you want to stop this service, you have to call this shell script called Kafka server-stop.sh. So just copy this information, unit and service information, come to the okay, so let's open this file. Sorry, create this file. I will place this content over there. So this is place, control O, enter, X, control X. So now this is created. Now let's start the just check the Zookeeper that it is running. It's not running. Go on, let's start. Sudo systemctl start Zookeeper. And you can check the status as sudo systemctl status Zookeeper. So it is running. Now let's check the status of Kafka. Before start, I'll just check the status. status. It's not running, then run now. So now check the status. It's running. Okay. Now both Kafka and Zookeeper is running. You can verify the port numbers for Zookeeper. 2181 is the default port number. You run this, see it's running, and similarly is listening. The port number is listening for RPC requests. Similarly for Kafka also it's running. 9092 is the default port number for Kafka broker. So both Kafka and Zookeeper is running. So let me show you some simple steps to how to publish data and consumer data to the from the Kafka topic using a command line producer and this consumer. So there are many commands. You have it here. How to start your Zookeeper service, how to stop your Zookeeper service, how to stop your Kafka service, other stuff. Now let's see how to create a topic. So let's create a topic called so there is a shell script called kafka-topics.sh, and you need to use the command called -create, and you can provide the topic name -topic name followed by the topic name. -topic is a property, and the name is test -topic, and you need to provide the bootstrap server, which is a Kafka broker, which is a localhost :9092. So you see there is a created a topic. This one topic is created, and also I'll create one more topic called output topic. So you can describe a particular topic using a hyphen describe command. Test topic I am describing. So you see here, this is the topic name. By default it has replication factor 1 because single node, and partition also only one partition. So you can create multiple partition for your Kafka topic for the scalability purpose, and you can list the topics available in this Kafka broker or Kafka server. So we have two topic we created which is available here. You can go and then delete this topic using the hyphen delete. We will try to delete the test topic and try to list. Now you should see only one topic, test topic. Now one terminal will try to run producer, command line producer. For that you have to call this function called Kafka, shell script called Kafka I'll just clear the session so that it is easy to follow. Okay, so one window I opened Kafka console producer.sh and given the topic name test topic bootstrap service. If I do enter, it is going to wait for message to publish. I will open one more terminal, just right click duplicate the term session. Here I will run the consumer, command line consumer, which is, so there are two things here. One is the test topic name, this is a command Kafka console consumer, and you provide the topic name and whether you want to read from beginning of the Kafka topic or just latest. If you are trying to get the only latest, you no need to pass this property, and you need to provide this bootstrap server. So I will run this for now. So it is going to look for the message to be available in the test topic. So let's run the publish some message. Hello Kafka, hello world Kafka. I sent a message or published a message called Hi world Kafka. Here it is received here. Welcome to Kafka. Welcome to Apache Kafka. I do enter here. So the message is carried. So this is the real-time distributed publish subscribe messaging system. So it works very good. It's one of the scalable messaging system in the market now. I hope this video is helpful to understand a little bit of Kafka and how to install a Kafka on a AWS EC2 instance. Please subscribe to my channel to get more technology videos. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.